Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring entrepreneurs out there, starting your own lawn mowing business. If you love the outdoors, being your own boss, and helping your community, this might just be the perfect venture for you. So let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to kickstart your very own lawn mowing business. The first step to any successful business is research and planning. You need to gather information about your local market, competition, and potential customers. Here's what you need to do. Identify your target market. Figure out the neighborhoods or areas with a high demand for lawn care services. Look for areas with well-maintained homes and plenty of green spaces. Analyze the competition. Check out other lawn care businesses in your area. Find out what services they offer, their pricing, and how you can differentiate yourself to stand out. Legal and financial aspects. Register your business, get any necessary licenses or permits, and consider forming an LLC for liability protection. Also, create a budget and estimate the startup costs, including equipment, marketing, and insurance. Now that you have a solid plan in place, it's time to gear up for action. Here's what you'll need. Lawn care equipment. Invest in quality lawnmowers, trimmers, blowers, and other essential tools. Depending on your budget and the scale of your operations, you may choose between walk-behind or ride-on mowers. Safety gear. Don't forget to prioritize safety. Get protective equipment like goggles, ear protection, gloves, and steel-toed boots. Insurance coverage. Protect yourself and your business with liability insurance. This will safeguard you from any potential accidents or property damage during your work. Now that you're equipped, it's time to build your brand and get the word out about your services. Here's how. Name and logo. Choose a catchy, memorable name for your business and design a simple but attractive logo. Make sure it reflects your professionalism and the nature of your services. Create marketing materials. Design business cards, flyers, and brochures. These will be handy when you're networking and promoting your services. Online presence. Establish a website and create social media profiles for your business. Nowadays, having an online presence is crucial for attracting potential customers. Word of mouth. Utilize your personal network and ask satisfied customers to spread the word. Positive reviews and recommendations can go a long way in growing your business. Congratulations, you're ready to launch your lawn mowing business. But remember, the key to long-term success is providing exceptional service. Here's how to do it. Professionalism. Always be punctual and presentable. Treat your customers and their properties with respect. Quality work. Strive for precision in your lawn mowing, trimming, and cleanup. A well-maintained lawn will leave a lasting impression on your customers. Customer service. Be responsive to customer inquiries and concerns. Communication is crucial for building trust and maintaining strong relationships. As your business gains momentum, you may want to explore opportunities for growth. Here are some ideas. Additional services. Consider expanding your offerings to include landscaping, fertilization, or pest control services. Hiring employees. If the workload becomes overwhelming, hiring trustworthy and skilled employees can help you scale up your business. Customer loyalty programs. Implement loyalty programs to retain your existing customers. Offer discounts or rewards for repeat business or referrals. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to start your lawn mowing business. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with hard work, dedication, and a passion for what you do, you can build a thriving lawn care enterprise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new lawn mowing venture. See you next time.